Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Uten Portable Clothes Dryer, 1500 watt clothes dryer machine with timer. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: pursuit higher quality and lower noise. We are pursuing higher quality portable dryer, so we provide high quality PTC heating element, overheat and switch off protection device, high temperature resistant Oxford cover. Safer to use and more durable. Meanwhile, the portable dryer is 20% less noisy than ordinary clothes dryers, providing a quiet drying environment. 1500 watt power motor for 2x fast drying and 360 degrees drying. Our portable clothes dryer machine is equipped with a 1500 watt power motor, which makes it easier to dry clothes faster than other 600 to 1000 watt power dryers on the market. And the 2x fast drying saves you more time without worrying about the clothes not drying. At the same time, 360 degrees circulating hot air to the clothes for all-round drying, fast drying clothes, not hurt clothes, not wrinkled. Easy to assemble and multi-function. The 59-inch/1.5 meter high portable clothes dryer rack unfolds easily and can be set up in less than 5 minutes with installation instructions for quick and easy use. One is multi-purpose, not only as a clothes dryer, but also as a wardrobe and a heater. Large capacity and more hygienic clothes care. The two-tier clothes dryer features a foldable design to accommodate more clothes and long jackets, pants, and other garments. Dryer can hold up to 33 pounds of laundry, suitable for home, apartment, dormitory, RV. Hanging clothes dryer is more hygienic than tumble drying, is less prone to wrinkles, and can also be used as a closet at the same time. Smart drying timer and hassle-free purchase. Drying time can be set from 1 to 180 minutes, easily drying tops, pants, and other clothes. Just turn the timer and let the warm air do the rest. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.